Welcome to another unboxing video. It's actually a studio light. And this studio light is a Phot-R, try saying that quickly, veo30air kit. The only thing it doesn't include is a stand, which in my opinion is correct, as you can use an old one or purchase a more configurable one. Okay, so what this looks like. Okay, so the handle's here and it opens. Ah, that's nice, isn't it? No, I didn't realise it was. So you pull out the bits you've got. I would lay it on there and think on that. It's got quite. Well, that is clever. So let's go and see the bits we've got to go with it. Let's put the case there. So I suppose the main thing is the actual light itself. So they are professional. Don't know why I've got it there. Right, so I'm doing quite a lot of videos, and as you can see in the light we got here, it's actually pretty bad. It's a dining room light. It's quite dim, and I thought, well, I need something to brighten up the videos when I do things like this. Shouldn't really have that without adult supervision. Ooh, look at that. So it's actually quite compact. It's made out of aluminium, and I was just reading the brochure on it, and it's quite good for cooling. So you can attach it there, or there, or even there. So I'm not sure why you'd want to do it that two different ways. Oh, there you are. There's a model V30. There you can find out more information about it. So that's what else did you get in this box? So I guess the light goes there. Okay. You've actually got a handle. Okay, so you can hold it. That's quite handy. I thought this light would be quite handy for when you're decorating at night. You know, when you come home from work and it's dark, I think, oh, I want to do some painting, but you can't actually see what you're doing. Come on. Oh. Okay, so this is the hot shoe. That's tight. Okay, adjustable. Okay, that's your tightener. So I guess that goes in one of these. Not sure which one, but there are. I've seen a video with that. It kind of looks like it, doesn't it? Oh, that way. Okay, there, right. Ooh, there's even an extra bit. Okay, I have to. Oh, I think that's attaching it to a pole or something. Nice. Yeah, well, it's a different type of stand, isn't it? Yeah, cool. So where would that go? Goes there. Well, that's like being back at school. Right. So what else have I got in this box? So what's this? This is the battery charger. So the kit comes with a battery charger and 2 batteries. Yes, it's wireless. Oh, there's a hot shoe there for using it to charge up in the car or some other device. And because I'm in the UK, comes with a UK plug. We'll get where that goes in a minute. There's your charger, and you can charge, because it requires 2 batteries to operate, but you can charge both batteries at the same time. There we go. I'm guessing these are the 2 batteries. Okay, quite large. It says it takes 8 hours to charge and 8 hours of actual usage, so that's pretty good. So if you're outside or nowhere near a mains in a studio, you know, or a warehouse or something, you know, you can use this for 8 hours. Obviously you can buy more batteries and wait your stick it in the front there. But cool, so I'm guessing 2 batteries go there. Ooh, I reckon that goes there. That must go there. Because I've got one more thing. This is kind of cool. Not sure what goes there though, but wait a minute. This is the LED panel remote. Ooh. So yes, I kind of like the idea of having a remote control rather than trying to push buttons on the back of the things. And there you go, there's your remote control. And that lights up with a number, I believe. What kind of batteries does it use? God, I need to work out a bit more, I think. Come on, give it up. That's it. Yeah, so it takes AAA. Apparently this can control 100 lights. Work that out. So there you have a kit. And oh yes, going back to the light itself, they've got these, which is pretty cool. It's like going to a proper studio. 288 LED bulbs. Oh, and it's 3,000 luminums. It's got a CRI of 95 plus, which gives you better colours. And a colour temperature range, according to this, is 32K to 56K. Not bad, eh? I do like this. And they're metal, they're not plastic. Oops, put that one there. Oh, no, I think I got that all the way round. Oh well. I'm doing an accessories for the razor blade soon, and I'll use this light